So hi everyone, just got my Valk 3 in the mail and just gonna do a quick unboxing. I did get it in complete internal looped. It's in stickerless as well. Other things I got this cube stand, which is free, and I got this Diane corner piece that I kind of broke last week. Uh, yeah. Where's my Diane? Yeah, so I accidentally broke the corner piece, so I ordered a new one. Yeah. And yeah, so let's get on with the unboxing of the Valk 3. So this is the first kind of box that I've seen from a cube company. Really resembles an iPhone box, especially with the pamphlet. Alright. Okay, so a bunch of paper and stickers. There's nothing else. Yeah. So here's the cube itself. There's a bit of dust on the white side. There's a bit of lube on the outside, so I'm just gonna wipe that off. Right away I can tell it's smaller than all the cubes I have. I can definitely tell the difference when I'm holding it in my hand. It's also the first stickerless cube I bought. I really like the feeling of stickerless cubes on bigger cubes like the 5x5 and 6x6. So I just decided to get a stickerless version of the Valk 3. Here's a logo, which looks really nice. The color scheme is alright. The blue is dark, which I like, because I can't stand like light blue. I can't recognize well on light blue. Green is okay. I like that grass color of green. Orange is good, yellow is good, and red is good. Red is also dark, which I like. So yeah, let's go to first turns. Okay, so it is a bit gummy right now, and it's really tight. Okay, so as I'm turning, it's getting better. Yeah, I need to loosen this up. I actually prefer my cubes really loose. You can see it from my Yuexiao. This is also a premium Yuexiao. It's very loose. So the feeling of the cube, it is very smooth. It does feel kind of similar to my Yuexiao, but it feels more hollow, kind of airy almost. This one's a bit more blocky. Okay, so it's getting much better now. The more I turn, it's getting better. Yeah. So here you can see the color contrast. I really like this orange. I hate the orange on my Yushin 5x5. They're way too similar, but this you can easily tell them apart. I mean, not that we really need to, because like on 3x3, it doesn't make a huge difference, because I can tell orange and red apart pretty easily, even though they're similar. And yeah, it's getting much better. So I'm just gonna take out a piece. But yeah, it's really tight. Let me just loosen this up by half a turn or something. Okay, so just gonna wipe the lube off the center caps. So let me just get my screwdriver. It's right over there. So that's an interesting mechanism. The springs widen. It's closer to the core. I don't know how that affects turning, but it's kind of interesting. Never seen that before. Still a bit tight. I don't know why I like my cubes really loose. I really like the feeling of fast cubes. I really hate sluggish cubes. Maybe that's why I like cubes to be loose. Because when people try my cubes, they complain that it's too loose. Okay. Yeah, that's much better. I actually really like the stickerless feeling, because in my hands, I don't feel the stickers like kind of distracting me, I guess, while I'm holding it and turning it fast. Like I can feel the stickers when I'm turning, but here I don't. It's just comfortable in my hands. Okay. So I can definitely tell that this needs to be broken in. I need to do about like 1,000 solves on it before I can actually say it's good or not. Because right now it's not the best. It's a bit sluggish for my liking right now, but I can definitely tell it's gonna get much better if I break it in with 10,000 solves. So. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be my new main. Here's my Yuexiao. And here's the Valk3. Let me show you the pieces. So yeah, there's that hole in the edge piece. Okay, I don't want to take apart the whole thing because there's a lube inside. I don't want to mess up the lubrication that the cubicle did. Let's just do an example solve. I actually really enjoy the size, the feeling of the size difference. I can definitely tell it's smaller. It actually fits really nice into my hands. It's gonna be really good for OH as well, because I'm recently into OH. So there's a lot of lube on the outside. So you can see there are a bit of lockups here and there, but it's just that right now it's a bit slow. The loop is not fully broken in. After the loop breaks, all the loop breaks in, it's gonna be much better. So yeah. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the Valk 3. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.